Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Wagwan Tours. We're in Benidorm in Old Town. Let's have a little walk to Wagwan.
See Wagwan, you know the vibe.
So, it's just coming up for, well, it's gone 11 actually, is it? Coming up for half 11, yeah. Half 11, so you've got gay bars just opening up. Bin men out, obviously. It's right time to be emptying bins, isn't it? So yeah, not so busy up here.
But this is more like the shopping area, isn't it? And all the shops are closed now, so it's not really.
Yeah, here's a shopping area, so.
It's not too cold, is it? Is it a bit?
It's chilly. It's chilly, yeah. It's not
If
like.
you have a vodka jacket on, I don't think it's not the worst.
No. What we'll do, we'll go down there, same walk that we did earlier on, but at night time. Take a walk, we'll go back round, and then head down to Levante Beach. So, what's this? Coffees.
Yeah, always needed a good coffee.
Yeah.
Because I had waffles and stuff there, so a little late night snack.
Yeah, sugar fix. We just had a Greek dinner, really made us tired. And then, but we was tired just as we ate it, like in the actual restaurant. So the guy was like, "Ouzo, you need ouzo." And I was like, "All right, go on then." Boom, woke us right up, but ouzo did. It's a brilliant little shot.
Yeah, and then we walked home, or walked to the hotel.
Again, though, hold on a second. Again, it was Greek hospitality
Oh, such good.
by the Albanians, okay, which is very usual for us. We love that type of hospitality, and they gave us free drinks. Food wasn't expensive.
Yeah, and it was such big portions, good quality.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely recommend. I'll try to put the name of the place here, so you can all see.
Just off the main beach area.
Levante
so,
Beach
yeah.
at the top end. It's a Greek restaurant up there, just off to the side. But yeah, it was really nice. I quickly look down here, see is anything going on? Anything open? Oh, there's people. Come on, let's go. Let's go. But yeah. Oh, he was just jealous I got a better jacket than him. My Adidas is considerably better than yours. But yeah, it was really good food, and like I said, like in Zante, all the Greek restaurants there, they're all run by Albanians. I think it's like 90% Albanian. But that's what makes the island, that's what makes it really good.
There's similar cultures, similar food, so it just sort of works well.
Yeah, very nice. So yeah.
Got the fires on.
Yeah, everyone keeping warm. Trying to move the camera slowly for you guys.
Yeah.
But yeah. So yeah, very nice at night down here. Let us know if you come down here at night. Do you come and eat down? Is this Tapas Alley? I don't really understand where Tapas Alley is. It's a bit of an alleyway, isn't it, this one?
Yeah, maybe, it might be Tapas Alley.
But yeah, write in the comments if this is Tapas Alley, or is it just one of the ones that is up here, you know, you got the alleys just here and here. But we're gonna shoot down this one. Come on, let's go. So guys, if you can like the video, share, comment, hype, everything. If you could do it all, it would be really helpful to us. And yeah, subscribe would be number one. Yeah, thank you. So yes, anyway, it's a bit dingy at night, isn't it? Let's get through this. So it is a bit more of the high street that's up there, but we're going to go down to the beach. Walk along the beachfront. We're just heading towards all the bars on the main road, so Bar Street.
Yeah, during the day this is all Brahman, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm not expecting much to be open, but we can see Gwan.
Yeah, lovely ocean.
Yep. The blue lights. Do the blue lights change colour, or they're just always blue?
Actually, don't know.
Yeah, I think they're always blue.
I think they're always blue as well, yeah.
Very pretty.
Pretty lit up, isn't it?
Yeah, because people like to go in the water. What's that all the way there, boy? Yeah, boys. So yeah, let's head down there. Get a nice sea noise. Barcelo Benidorm Beach. I don't know if you ever stayed there. Very expensive, these hotels. But some people only have one. Some people only have one holiday a year, so you know, you're gonna spend what you want on your holiday. We go away a lot, so we've got to try and keep it cheap.
Some people go a lot and keep it expensive. It's just depending on your
Well, yeah, that's what I mean. There's all different people.
whatever your circumstance and budget is.
Definitely.
That building looks cool over there, doesn't it? With the green.
They should do like a Pac-Man thing on it. Yeah.
Pizza place there open.
Really busy here in the day. We walked up it in one of the videos. So how busy it was. Really busy. Okay, city. All quieting down. Everyone's up on Bar Street.
Yeah, these are people just finished food and having their drinks, aren't they? I'm guessing these all close at like 12.
I have no idea. Could be open late. But well, anyway, everyone's up Bar Street anyway now. It ain't time for beach places, is it, in Benidorm? So yeah, it'll be a big difference in a minute. I found these takeaways very expensive compared to UK. I don't really eat takeaways that often, so. But what was I swear it was like for like one of the burgers, like a meal, like 14 euros.
Yeah, and
We paid
spent
15.
that for like a big
Yeah, a restaurant meal.
sit-down restaurant meal.
Yeah. So Tiki Town completely closed. What time did they close that then?
I'm guessing
That's
maybe, well,
mental.
if it's just gone 11, maybe 10.
Yeah. Yeah, very strange. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Tune into the next video because you'll just get to see Wagwan next. Catch you on the next one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.